Hello friends, welcome to Simmi Tutor. Let's do the 15th chapter of this book, which is future time. Now what is future time? Future means what is going to happen. What is going to happen? So for that we will use words like we will, we would, or we can also use the word shall. Okay. Now see this. Underline the verbs in these sentences which tell us that the action will happen in future. One has been done for you. I will become a pilot one day. Next one, I will read this book tonight. So what will come over here? Will read. We will go to the park after school. Will go. My friends will come to my birthday. Will come. We will go to the museum next day. So will go. Now the verbs you underlined above are in the future time. We use the future time to talk about an action that will happen sometime in the future. Okay. To talk about, we use the form like shall or will, like I told you, with the verb. Like this all are verb. Will, go, read, become. So we use will with it. We can also use shall with it. Okay. Now let's do this one. Rearrange the words in order and rewrite the sentences in your notebook. You have to arrange these words and you have to write in your notebook. So first one is go you today to will school. So what will come over here? Will, first letter should be capital. Will you go to school today? Will you go to school today? Question mark. Okay. It evening will rain by. So what will come over here? It will rain by the evening. EVENING, evening. Come to page 73. The watch will children TV. What will come? Will the children watch TV? Because it is a question mark. Will the children watch TV? Okay. Now you for will make us noodles. Will you make noodles for us? Because again there is a question over here. Will you make noodles for us? Will I to guitar play learn the? What will come? I will learn to play the guitar. I will learn to play the guitar. Next grade I be here in the fourth will. So what will come over here? I will be in the fourth grade next year. Here. Me, you on meet will Saturday. Will you meet me on Saturday? Will you meet me on Saturday? And you have to put a question mark over here. I wash will dishes, dad the help. I will help dad wash the dishes. Okay. Now here, what will these children do this Sunday? Look at the pictures and write the sentence using the words in the bracket. So you have to use these words and you have to make a sentence, future sentence. These children are playing. So what we will write over here? The children will build sandcastles on Sunday. The children will build sandcastles on Sunday. Second one, see they are camping. So what we'll write? There are many children. So we will write they will camp outside. Here watch television. So what we will write? They will watch the television. Okay, now they are playing badminton. So what will write? They will play badminton. Now this Bharatnatyam. So what we will write? She will learn Bharatnatyam. She will learn Bharatnatyam. Why B is capital over here? Because it is a proper noun. For proper noun, we use first letter capital. Let's do the C part. How would you reply to the statements given below? Write your answers using the future time. One has been done. You have not switched off the lights. So what you will write? I will switch them off. You have not cleaned the table. So what you will write? I will clean it. Okay. The clothes look dirty. So what you will write? I will wash them. There are papers on the floor. So what you will write? I will pick them up. You have to give answers. So you have to write as if you are answering these questions. Pick them up. Your hair is not combed. I will comb it. I will comb it. Okay, you have to put a dot after every sentence. The flower vase is empty. So I will put flowers in it, or only flower, because here it is flower. The food has not been cooked. I will cook it. I will cook it. You have not covered your books. I will cover them. I will cover them. Now let's do the re part. Read Jamil's plan for his Sundays. Underline the verbs and rewrite the paragraph in the future time in your notebook. You have to write this in future tense in your notebook. Okay. First you have to underline the verbs. Every Sunday, the make is a verb. So you will write every Sunday I will make some good choices. I wake up. Wake up is a verb. I will wake up. I will wake up at 7 a.m. I take. I will take. I will take a bath and go for a walk. Go. You again don't have to use will. Okay, because once you have used in this sentence, I will take a bath and go for a walk with my grandfather. Both of us will come back. Will come back. And have is a verb. Have our breakfast. Then I will help. Then I will help my father wash his car. After this, I will change. I will change my clothes and do my homework. Okay? Now here, I will help my mother. I will set the table and look after my baby sister. Look after is again a verb. In the evening, I will watch. I will watch television and read a storybook. I will pack. I will pack my bag for the school and sleep at 10 p.m. Okay, friends, we end this session over here. Do share it with your friends and don't forget to like, subscribe. Okay, thank you.